Welcome to the 12th episode of Joy of Life. It's been a year now since we have started the series called The Joy of Life, where we have had our brave hearts come forward and share their journey with us of grit and determination while beating cancer. Each of our guests has had some passion which they held on to during this journey, whether it's arts or painting or crochet or gardening, reading books or music. We also have some people who've had other things like maybe yoga and walking, exercise, etc. Today we have with us Mrs. Padmashri R, who is the head of the Department of Computer Science at NMKRV PU College. And she is going to share with us how dance has helped her overcome this difficult time in her life. Welcome to our show, Padmashri ma'am.
I'm so privileged to be part of this session.
Yeah, thank you, Madam. Prameya is honored to have you with us today and gives me so much of pleasure to interact with you. So, you have got a degree in engineering and your master's in information technology, and yet you went on to become a lecturer and took up a noble profession to nurture the young minds. Please tell us about that.
Yeah, very true. The main reason behind choosing this is I feel this is one noble profession where you can serve for a longer period of time. Okay, and the other main thing is you can balance both your family and the workplace very well.
Oh.
So that was the reason.
Oh, very nice, very true. We really need to find that work-life balance in today's times, and you made an apt decision long ago.
Yeah,
And
very
28 years in the field is, a great achievement in itself. And
true.
in spite of you being an engineer, you're so interested in cultural activities and dance. So, from childhood, tell us about that, madam.
Yeah, from the childhood, I loved art and crafts also. So, but that was limited to the classroom teaching. So, I used to do a lot of craft work like flower making and all that. But I'm into the dance. I have learned dance, classical, and I have
Wow.
taken few exams also.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, dance is my passion actually. So I take part in various organizing the events in our college, and also have participated as judge in some of the events of other colleges too. So I
Wow.
love that.
Oh, so now let's just look at this wonderful dance clip where you and your daughter are doing a small number.
Sure.
Oh, that was brilliant, madam. Just sitting, you have done such lovely poses, just using your hands and the face, lovely movements, very graceful. So I think your daughter is also learning the dance form. She is a professional dancer.
Yeah, thank you, Lilita. She has finished senior exam also, and she is also very passionate about dancing. So she taught me, in fact, maybe by the end of chemo, I feel. So during the lockdown, so
Mhm.
she taught me that, and we just experimented
Very beautiful.
doing together. So I had that opportunity.
Yeah, very nicely done. And you've decorated Goddess Lakshmi so beautifully. We are, almost on the verge of celebrating Varamahalakshmi festival. So the goddess has already arrived in your house. So please tell us about this. This is also another very great passion that you have. You love doing all these artworks.
Yeah, sure. See, even during the chemo, I used to do the rangoli things on the laminated sheets. So, in
Okay.
fact, I have placed that in front of the Lakshmi over there.
Okay.
So, and all these things also I have made it. But during the chemo, I feel that rangoli things, it was a festival time. And anybody for that matter, they can just learn it and do according to their creativity.
Yeah.
So I can just show you that. See, I
Hmm.
just made one piece of it. Just this is the laminated sheet.
Hmm.
And all these are just the beads what you get in one shop. And
Oh,
try pasting it.
oh,
Okay,
fantastic.
so yeah, you just get a sheet like this. Just remove. No need of Fevicol also. So once
Hmm.
you remove like this, it just comes off.
Oh, very
Pick it
nice.
according to whatever your creativity. So I have made few things in the rangoli here for the design.
So nice. So you had been so busy having a full-time job, career, family, doing all these decorative things, and suddenly you were diagnosed with cancer. What were your thoughts, madam, when you had to take the treatment, and how did you face the situation?
Yeah, in 2019 October, I was diagnosed with this, and November, of course, I got the surgery done, and the rest is radiotherapy and followed by chemo. So I had taken 3 weeks of radio and 12 sessions of chemo.
Okay, okay. Oh, and how did you manage it, madam? You had to go to college. You went alone for all your treatment, or
Yeah, yes. That is my nature too, is to be independent as much as possible and keep myself occupied. So
excellent.
that gives a lot of confidence. So we should not feel that we are a patient or whatever. But that went correlated well with our doctor also. Even he too advised us, and we as a family took that decision of So I used to go alone, driving to the college and never applied leave. And of
Oh,
course, yeah, they made me provision there in the college to go there, take a therapy. And so classes were in the morning. So going there, I took the therapy and I used to come back.
no.
So
And your family, how did your family support you during the whole treatment?
yeah,
Your
that's
colleagues?
really great. In
Uh,
fact, first I need to thank God for showering His blessings. And my mom, she was on bed that time. So, but her soothing words was healing medicine for me, and she was the biggest strength, moral strength. But she passed away, but her blessings will be there on me always. But then my husband, he's known for his calmness and his positive approach in our family. So everybody knows. And probably he used to motivate, and he takes things, all ups and downs on the same level. So that motivated me. And he used to encourage me for going wherever possible for me to be alone, and supported me in other ways also. And of course, this requires a lot of financial thing will come into the matter. And he saw that I took the best of best medicines. So I'm
so
really
nice.
grateful to him for all the support, and he's there always with me. So
So
I'm so
nice,
happy.
actually.
Yes,
So blessed. So nice.
yes, very much.
Your daughter also really took care of you, isn't it, during the
Yeah,
time?
she's adorable to me. And when I was diagnosed, actually, she was in Bombay Cancer Institute. And in fact, that made her to know about the disease also. And she gave me a lot of confidence in me to understand what the report I have got. Because normally we, wonder, we think of the stages. So,
Hmm.
but she made me understand in what stage I was and the word all that. And she attended various seminars
Hmm.
there to help me out and plan the diet chart for me.
Oh, nice.
So made me, and every day she was up to me to see that I go with those diets, and really blessed I am in that. So she is my pillar now.
Oh, pillar of strength. Now she is your
Yes,
mother. She is your second mother.
second mother now. True.
Good, good, very
Yeah.
nice. And your office, your college also, the principal and colleagues, how supportive
Yes.
were they?
Yeah, I shared. In fact, as soon as I got this, there will be a shock, of course, for when we hear the news. But I faced it boldly because we have to, if we have to be, take this forward. So I told my principal and all my few colleagues there in the college, so that, and they really helped me out by sharing my workload, and that made me easier to work there also. So I
Oh,
have to thank my friends, all of them, who have helped me there.
very nice, very
So,
nice.
and also my relatives who was praying for my health, and schoolmates for their concern.
So all the good wishes, prayers, and the
Definitely.
cooperation has helped,
Together.
yeah,
Hmm.
together has helped you sail through that difficult time in
Yes,
your
ma'am.
life. And after the treatment and everything, you also said you joined a supportive care group, and you are really very happy to be part of that. Could you please tell us about those lovely moments?
Yeah, this diagnosis, treatments, it's just the routine it goes. So everybody knows till there. So after chemo, probably 1 or 2 months, we may stay, like, it will be there. It is that time I feel we all need something, because most of the changes happens after 2 or 3 months of the chemo, end of chemo.
Hmm.
So there we actually need a support system. So that is where when I met Swati, and she introduced me to such a lovely, wonderful, supportive care group of Prameya. And I'm very thankful and privileged to be there. And the group, why I am so privileged, I feel privileged, is they do conduct lot of sessions to keep us informed, inspired, and motivated also. So some of the things like gardening
Hmm.
sessions,
Yeah.
then we have Zentangle art sessions, spiritual sessions we have, yoga sessions we have, and lymphedema sessions. And these are some of the lymphedema, especially the major side effect of this cancer.
True.
So
True.
all these, of course, we are getting motivated by that. And gardening,
Lovely.
especially, I saw your interview with Vasuki, and
Oh, the
that's
joy of life. Yeah.
yeah, joy of life. That was the first, because after I joined Prameya,
Okay. Oh, so nice.
and yeah,
Vasuki
inspired
is
by
our
her.
gardening guru. So we
Yeah,
all ask her for all the doubts we have. And so lovely. Your garden is so beautiful too, madam. So nicely you have grown everything. The pictures are so fantastic.
yeah,
So
Lalita. So I do ask her also for her suggestions. She keeps telling me, and so now I am up to that also. So into that, whenever I get time, so try to do the gardening part also.
nice. And then
Yeah.
the Zentangle art that you have done is also fantastic. So beautiful it is. So you're a
So
true artist now.
I didn't know I could do it actually. So after coming, joining, so we had a session,
Hmm.
Zentangle art session. The first Ganesha was the first thing I learned. Then it was just a crazy thing right now. So whenever I have time, I just keep doing that.
Oh, very nice.
So
Very
maybe 20, which was more than that, I've started working on it. So I just love it.
yeah, so nice. It keeps your
Yeah.
mind occupied and
Definitely,
calm.
yes,
Calm.
yes, calmness. And yoga, of course, we have a beautiful sessions every week. Swati takes up the class, and we are trained, like, for the specific, sometimes for the lymphedema, she will take, each session will be specific. And we
Oh,
are so benefited, and we do work on it. And
oh,
that's helping a lot. And we'll be waiting for all Thursday sessions, all of us in the group.
very
So
nice. So it's a holistic health that you're all, into now, and it's getting into a new way of leading your life and looking forward to the other, the small little creativities that is also associated in a supportive group. So nice. So would you like to
very
give some message to all our viewers today, ma'am? Is there something you would like to say?
Yeah, I feel acceptance is the most, like, whatever the situation that comes, if we accept it, the major problem will be solved. And not to limit any challenges. Definitely, we will be facing the challenges. and not to limit our challenges, instead challenge the limit whatever we have. So that way I think we can face anything probably smoothly. And also I would like to say this, normally people do hesitate to use the word cancer whenever it is when we hear it or when they have to tell. So I feel that stigma of that word, it has to be taken off, because I feel when treated, if it is detected and treated at a very early stage, it is
Hmm.
so curable, like, it is treatable, and
Yeah.
like any other disease. And in fact, more than that, I feel sometimes when I compare with chronic diseases, we are not on any medications, just the regular checkups and
Correct.
a healthy diet. We can definitely beat this.
Fantastic.
Uh,
Very, very strong, powerful words. And yes, all of us are here to beat it completely and
yes,
remove the stigma associated
definitely.
with that
The
word.
awareness has to
Awareness. Yes, yes.
reach, yes, reach this.
Fantastic. So, madam, since you're so passionate about dancing and you have learned the basics of dancing, we would request you to do a few movements, dance movements for us before we wind up this session.
मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजयत्री मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजयत्री आत्मवदेव परारपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परारपि पश्यत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत त्यजत परेष्वक्रममाक्रमणम् त्यजत परेष्वक्रममाक्रमणम् मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजयत्री मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजयत्री
Very nice, beautiful. It was so nice. And I think just sitting and doing these lovely dance movements can lift the mood of anybody. And we are so happy to see you, doing these lovely dance movements, abhinayas. And I think many of us will now, will when we listen to nice songs, we will try doing these little abhinayas ourselves. So thank you so much, madam, for taking out time and sharing your views, your thoughts with all of us at Prameya. Prameya is really happy, and this series of programs is also to create awareness about cancer and to tell the world that yes, it's nothing to worry and we can beat it if we make up our mind. And we just want to create this happy moments in everyone's lives and hold each other's hands and move forward. And if any one of our viewers, if you know anybody who would want to come forward and share their journey with us, please do reach out to us at Prameya. So, madam, any parting thoughts? Would you like to say something?
Yeah, in fact, I would like to thank Prameya for giving me this opportunity to share my views and thoughts, and also privileged to be the part of this group.
Yeah.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was our pleasure to host you today. And it's this is another important message we would like to give to everyone, that the medical facilities may be there, hospitals may be there, but the need of the hour is supportive groups like what we have, and where it's important for the patient after treatment to look at other avenues and join the mainstream of life quickly. So all these also have a very important role to play in the rehabilitation process. So once
Very
again, thank
much.
you. Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing. And take care. All of you take care and stay safe. See you soon. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.